We're using VMware and replication to set up an actual disaster recovery hot site in one of our remote offices that's live right now. No, I could not do it before. It was not economically feasible. It wasn't possible. We didn't have the room. But now, with what we have right now, I can copy 40 virtual machines in this floor space of 4 square feet.
We made this 1,000-node desktop farm for remote desktops, and using the PowerShell snap-in, we were able to remotely deploy these desktops over and over, and also, wipe them out completely at semester end. And using like an enclosed VMware solution, we did that, and there are other vendors out there that were going to charge us hundreds of thousands of dollars to do it, and so we did that all by ourselves. It was great.
We relocated an entire data center. We moved our office from New Jersey to North Carolina using VMware and not the use of a moving truck. We took a 450 square foot data center and virtualized it to 16 square feet of floor space.
Using VMware and a combination of other third-party products from VisionCore, we are able to build not only a consolidation for a company, but also their DR for less money than they were expecting to use just for their production site alone. So we were able to engineer the solution for them and just blow them away with what the product was and how we were going to get it done for them. We saved them hundreds of thousands of dollars.
We've really been focusing on energy as well. We have some limitations in one of our data centers, and we're sort of reaching peak capacity as far as the amount of power. So we've been using virtualization on blades to really save a lot on power.
Virtualization introduces this layer of abstraction that lets you do fundamentally different things that you couldn't do before. So an example of that is something I've been working on, which is this debugging feature. So the idea is I'm a developer, and I am debugging some program, but what I can do if I'm debugging it inside a virtual machine is that the virtualization layer that sits underneath can record everything that's going on inside that virtual machine. So the developer doesn't need to know about how any of that works. They don't need to customize their application. They don't need to do anything special. The virtualization layer does all the heavy lifting of recording what's going on inside that virtual machine, so that if I encounter a problem, I've got a perfect fidelity recording of that problem. Because some bugs, sometimes they happen, sometimes they don't, and the hardest part about debugging is finding the bug. And if you've got a recording, it is there. It's always going to be there. The bug is always going to manifest itself. It's always going to manifest itself in the same way. So now I can attach a debugger, replay that recording, and see exactly what's going on.